Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Darya-Ariela, and in today's video we're gonna do this look right here for Dia de los Muertos. And if you wanna know how I did this look, just keep watching. Grab my MAC eye pencil in the shade Ebony, and then I'm gonna outline the areas. Then I'm gonna take my Grimace palette and use a white shade to make my face white. And I'm gonna use my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus spray, and I'm gonna use MAC 190 for it. Now I'm gonna take the Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Sugar Cookie and a puff and set this white, my clown white. Okay, now let's move on with the eyes. I'm gonna use this green shade right here. It's like muddy green. And then I'm gonna take the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill brush and apply it only on my lid. Now I'm gonna go inside this purple shade right here. It's from Grimace palette, and I'm gonna use the MAC 242 brush for it, and then I'm just gonna apply it inside this circle. So just like that. Now I'm gonna go inside the red shade and draw myself petals. Therefore I'm gonna use a clean 242 brush. So now I'm gonna grab a tiny brush. This one you use actually for painting. And then I'm gonna go back inside the violet shade and fix my circle. Now I'm I'm gonna take another painting brush, and now I'm gonna go inside the green shade, draw around my petals, and inside each petal I'm gonna put a dot with by using a Q-tip. Now let's draw ourselves a nose. I'm gonna use the art pencil from MAC to do the shape. And now I'm gonna grab a small painting brush and go inside a black shade and fill my nose out. Now I'm gonna grab the Jeffree Star cremated palette, and then I'm gonna go inside this shade right here. It's called Here's. It's a nice black shade, and then I'm just gonna go with a fluffy brush and do here my contour. Then with the same brush, I'm gonna go inside this shade right here. It's called Wednesday, and just shade a bit out. Now I'm gonna go back inside my Grimace black shade, and then I'm gonna draw myself teeth and here a line in between my lips. Teeth are done, and I'm gonna put here 2 dots. I'm gonna draw myself here a spider, and first I'm gonna do outlining with eye pencil from MAC. And now I'm gonna draw a spider web. And then I'm just gonna apply the black around it, or you can also use an eyeliner. The body of the spider I'm gonna make red. And then I'm gonna set a highlight. I'm gonna go now inside a blue shade and draw myself a tear. Then I'm gonna outline the tear with the black. And then with the white I'm gonna set a highlight. Now let's draw a rose here. And now let's fill it in. Now let's use the black. Now let's fill in the leaf. Now I'm gonna line out the outer leaf. Now I'm gonna grab my eye pencil from MAC, and then I'm gonna draw here like an S. And the same thing I'm gonna do on the other side too. And then with the black, I'm gonna go over it. Alright guys, and this is our finished look for Dia de los Muertos. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comments below which look you want to see next. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys in the next video.